Hey, welcome back to Fix It Fast, the channel where we solve your tech problems quickly and easily. If you're getting the error, gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer while trying to screen record on Windows 10, don't worry, I've got you covered. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that will help you record even better. So here's the problem. Windows 10's built-in screen recorder can't record your desktop or File Explorer window. As you can see on my screen, when I try to record the desktop, it shows this error. To fix this, here's what to do. You need to open any program or software. It could be anything. In my case, I'm opening Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, as soon as the program opens, try recording again, and it should start working. But if yours still doesn't record, don't worry. Follow me to the next step. Click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings. Now click on Gaming. Select Game Bar on the left-hand side and make sure the game bar is turned on, just like mine. Next, go to the Capture tab. Turn on background recording, scroll down, and turn on audio recording. Then click on Game Mode. You can leave this exactly as it is. Once you're done, close the Settings menu and try recording your screen again. Still not working? Let's go to Step 3. In the search bar, type Windows Update. And open it. Click on Check for Updates and make sure your PC is updated to the latest version. After updating, restart your computer and try recording again. This should fix the issue completely. Now, because you stuck around till the end, here's a bonus tip. Instead of using Windows 10's screen recorder, I recommend using a free tool called OBS Studio. It's completely free, easy to use, and works way better than the built-in recorder. Just open your browser and search for OBS Studio Download. Go to their official website, select your operating system, and the download will start automatically. Once it's installed, you can start recording right away. And if you run into any issues with OBS, I've got a video that shows you how to fix them. Just click here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you fix your screen recording issue. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.